This message is from the FBI. Beware of a mysterious man who haunts front porches, his ear presence luring unsuspecting victims into a malevolent possession. The FBI is deeply concerned about this unexplained phenomenon. If you encounter the man on the porch, avoid eye contact, retreat indoors, and call law enforcement immediately. Spread this warning to protect your loved ones and help unravel this ominous mystery. FBI, your safety matters. The following message is transmitted by the Pennsylvania State Police. A shelter-in-place warning has issued. A man who haunts front porches are known as the man on the porch. If you see him, call 911 or law enforcement. Please stay safe at all costs. Please stand by for updates. The following message is transmitted by the Pennsylvania State Police. A shelter-in-place warning has issued. A man who haunts front porches possessed a dad from an address named 11 Smith Street. The dad checks the kids if they are asleep at 10 p.m. If not, they will kill them. If your dad was possessed, sleep if your dad is coming. Please stand by for updates. This is a good news from the civilians of Pennsylvania. The dad from 11 Smith Street became normal. It is because it's 6 a.m., but the bad news is the man who haunts front porches will still possess dads at another night. Please stand by for updates.